Hello, my name is Don Banton. I'm a technical support engineer for Quest. Today I'm going to talk to you about on-demand migration for email, how to configure Google Apps options. When migrating from Google Apps, there are several key considerations. First is managing the data extraction. Google has throttling that limits extraction from each mailbox to 10 gigabytes per 24-hour period. If you hit the migration limit, then you and the user will be locked out of their mailbox. You may want to actively manage the extraction limit because hitting the limit may slow down the migration. The second part to look at is the consideration of treatment of labels. So you go in, you select your email to migrate, and then you have the preferred way to deal with labels. There are two options here. Create folders for each of the labels. This will create the structure similar to what you see in Google. The other option is convert labels to categories. This may be preferred as it will not create duplicates if there is more than one label assigned to an email. After you've decided whether to use folders or categories, you can continue down and choose the type of migration you wish to do, whether it be based on date range, or you can migrate all the email. You can also decide on specific folders to exclude, and you can also decide whether to include contacts or calendar in the migration. The final consideration is around forwarding. This is where you can control routing between the two systems. For more detailed information, click the link for how to do routing with Google Apps. This will open up an article that will explain in great detail what is needed to be done for this. Once you've decided where you wish to set forwarding, you set the domain that you're sending it to and the administrator account, which will do the modification. Then we also have an option to turn off existing forwarding if you had set forwarding already. Again, you would put in the domain that you wish to remove from the forwarding email server. Once you're finished entering all that information in, you just click Save and Continue. To learn more about on-demand migration for email, visit support.quest.com.